Jose, how you doing, man?
Hey, how's it going?
How you doing, bro? Do you announce this is live and I can use the clips however I choose?
I do.
Okay, what is your brand, man?
So I run a solar panel cleaning business.
Okay. How can I help you?
So I just started. Maybe about 5 months ago. I work
Mm-hmm.
as a solar panel technician. So I get a lot of customers from systems that I'm servicing. However, I'm trying to use Instagram, TikTok, Yelp, Google to kind of get more customers. My videos I feel like aren't the best. Roughing about 200 to 600 views per video. I just bought a microphone because I feel like the audio on my videos aren't the best.
Mm-hmm.
And just trying to up the quality of them because I figured that the reason why I'm not getting views is because my videos aren't the best.
I mean, that's your videos can get views and you won't get customers. If the goal is to get customers, right?
Yeah, so I'm posting, like more satisfying videos to get views, but then I'm also posting, like videos where
Lifestyle?
I'm like, no, no, like just to music to like the satisfying to the panels being cleaned. But then I'm also posting like funnel videos where it's like this is what customers aren't thinking about, or if you live in this area, you're prone to more rainfall, more dirtier panels, or
What's the
stuff like that. So I'm posting all kinds of videos. What
what's
was
the
that?
Instagram? What's the Instagram?
It's called let me get it for you. I think it's called Island Shine Panel Washing.
Could you put it in the private chat so I can copy it?
Yeah, I got you. Island Shine Panel Washing. Yep.
I got you, Edward. I'm coming back. Don't worry.
Washing. Okay, I put it.
Okay. Okay. I help homeowners maintain their solar systems. Okay. We got some image infographics pinned. That's not a good idea. Let's see a piece of content. You're filming your videos in the wrong angle, bro. You're starting them off. You're starting them off, and you got to film them in the right angle, like vertical.
Okay.
All right, let's
Okay.
start there. I didn't know I needed to wash. I didn't know I needed my panels washed. I'm like turning my neck. Yeah, that's not gonna get no views for sure. Let's fix that first. Let's fix the right dimensions. Your videos are
Okay.
sideways. So turn the
Yeah, yeah.
phone straight and then film it because it's a vertical video. What is this?
Every single panel, every single roof, and all that affects your production. So if you want to save money and
Yeah, that's not gonna cut it, bro. So none of this is gonna cut it. Social media is like it's not you turn on your phone and you just right. There needs to actually be structure. You have a valuable business. All right, how much does installing a solar panel cost?
I don't install, but one cleaning service roughly around $300 $500 depending on how big it is.
Okay, so 300, 500. How much do you make a month?
So I work full time. I make about close to 5K, and then right now I'm only making about an extra 1,000 a month, 1 to 2K depending how well it goes.
Gotcha. So your goal would be to just get more people to want their panels cleaned.
Yeah, more customers, more audience, more money, obviously.
Yeah, and it's you're the only person running the business.
Yeah, yeah.
Gotcha. So you would have to your brand would have to be around educating about solar panels, right? Not
Mhm.
just education about solar panels, content ideas that content structures, content system, content formats that show that you are an authority around solar panels. And one of those things around solar panels will be cleaning.
Mhm.
You can't just get on there and be like, this is why you need to clean your solar panels. It needs to be, why should I listen to you? What am I getting from consuming your content? So there's a multitude of different ways you can go about this, but you should have top of funnel videos that bring awareness and attention to your brand. All right. For you specifically, a service-based business, you don't necessarily need frameworks and all this nonsense. It's skill show. It's why this is important, showing you actually doing the job. Right? These things can be put together in a content architecture that will actually bring you views and lead to more clients in your city. You're a one-man show, right? Like in that city.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's going to be
It's just
tough.
me,
So yeah. So eventually the goal will probably be to just get people to work underneath you to do the cleaning for you.
Yeah.
All right. But if you can build a big enough audience, you can get enough demand to have people underneath you doing the actual cleaning. And you guys just are known as the brand that does all the cleaning of solar panels. How big is your location?
So I'm in Oahu, so Honolulu. It's about a couple million, I think, population.
Okay.
You know, so it's big, but it's also small. You know, it's like it's an island. You know, so
Yeah.
I'm trying to capture as much as I can. You know, so would love to go full time and be the guy who just does the content. Yeah, trying to go that way.
The idea would be the content doesn't become a job though. And that's what we preach. That's what we teach. The content is something that you get taken care of for you. You have an idea, you're the brand face, and you perform and you execute this content based on direction given to you. And you bring visibility to your brand, and then eventually you can replace yourself. But you got to make people care before they buy.
Yeah, that's what I think I'm struggling with. Yeah, because I watch my own videos, and I'll be like, I'm not even interested. You know?
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's a lot of. I would suggest if you don't want to have to learn this on your own and you do want to make money, we do the whole thing for you. We do the research for you. We tell you what to say, when to say it, how to film it, and we just take care of it for you. All right. So